All right, now we have a baby tee shirt, and we're going to do a tight and tiny fold. Baby tees are sometimes for your little kids, your munchkins, or just for those who want a tight t-shirt. So you can do a tight and tiny fold, and you're going to lay it out face down first. Because the shirt is going to be so small, I want you to see some of whatever the design is so you can identify the shirt. Because there's not really a sleeve on this one, we're going to go straight from the bottom and pull it to the top. But you have to smooth this one out because it's going to end up really wrinkled because it's going to be that tight, tiny fold. So press it out one time, bottom to the top, and now a second time, bottom to the top again. So you have that nice linear fold, smooth it out, and then we're going to flip it over so you can have the top of the shirt showing. Going to pull over center one side, pull over center the other side. Tuck the tags in, anything that can take away from that neat, organized feel once it's on that shelf or in the drawer or in a suitcase for that case. Or case, any case, staircase. Anywhere you want it neat. Final fold over on the other side, tight and tiny. And if you want it super duper, final fold, it is complete. Tight, tiny fold for your baby tee.